I want to show you these 3 wooden puzzles that I bought from Yogyakarta in Indonesia. It's quite interesting and quite challenging. Now if you look here, you will see 3 wooden puzzles, and I will now want to show you this one first. Alright, now this is shaped like a ball, and you can take them apart. All I do is look for a loose piece. This is a loose piece, and now the ball is taken apart. Now you have to put them back, and I can tell you most people struggle to put it back because they don't know how to where to start. Now what I learned is the first thing you do is you try to arrange them so that you get a similar pieces that look alike. Now these 3 pieces are similar, and I call this no groove, because the next 2 pieces, it looks quite similar, but it has a groove in the center part. There's a groove in the center part, and the last piece is a straight piece. So you got 3 no groove, 2 with groove, and 1 is straight. Now you start with the 3 no groove, you take them up, put 1 at the bottom, and then you put 2 by the side of it. Alright, put 2 by the side of it, and you can see you've now got at the bottom and 2 by the side. Now your no groove can come here, and make sure the groove is at the top. You put here, the groove is at the top. Most people will put it this way. There's no groove because the groove is hidden, and you can't put in the last piece if there's no groove. So you make sure that it is the groove at the top, and the groove at the top. And now you have got the last piece is slotted in the groove, and here you are, you have got back the original ball. Alright, now I'm going to show you the second piece. You can see if we go down here, I don't know what this piece looks like. I shall call this maybe the mangosteen. I call this a mangosteen. Alright, now again you can take out the loose piece. Let me see. This is not a loose piece. Yes, this is the loose piece. I take it out, and then I can take the whole piece apart. Yes, here you are. Okay, now you can see there are more pieces here, and I shall now arrange them according to length. Yes, I have these 2 here, and these are the long ones, and then I have the shorter ones here. Okay, I've arranged them more by length. Let me count how many pieces I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. Of the 11 pieces, these 2 here has got no groove, and then these have got a groove, but I can see that they are this one has got more groove, followed by this, and then followed by these 2. I think they are about the same. Then you have got a piece no groove, these 2 with groove. Alright, so you've got all of these pieces. The bottom piece has to be something like this. I think this looks like the bottom piece. And I'm going to now get these 2 to put by the side. So I put this by the side, and here you are. You got the bottom piece and the 2 spine. Now, next is to put the 2 pieces here. Quite clearly, it has to be a piece with a groove, not too long, because you want to build this way. So this looks like No, I think mistaken. This is likely to be the one with the long piece, and I explain to you why. Make sure the groove is at the top. The groove is at the top. Alright, now you have got here clearly space for 3 pieces. With this, I got 3 pieces, and the 3 piece will be here. There's the one with the groove. I put it down here. Yes, it's likely to be the case. Another one with the groove will be here. Alright, and the center piece will be which one? This is the one with the groove. You put this in. Okay, now you got 2 pieces here. The ones with the groove here. If I put a groove at the top, there's a groove here, and I put this on this side. There's a groove here, and finally my last piece, which is a straight piece, can be pushed inside here. And here you are. I got back the mangosteen. The mangosteen looks very symmetrical, very nice. Okay, and now I'll show you the last piece, which I will call the papaya. Alright, the papaya is here. Again, I have to choose a loose piece to take out. It's one of these two. This is the loose piece. I push it out. I can take out all the pieces apart. Now I have to put it back, and you can see it's going to be quite challenging. There must be millions of combinations for people who do this in a disorganized way. But I'm going to show you the organized way. As before, arrange them in the order of length. Alright, arrange in the order of length. Okay. Now, of all these pieces, sort out those with groove and those without groove. It looks like most have the groove except for this and this. All these are with 3 without groove, and all the rest here are with groove. So I'm going to arrange them this way, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so now we're going to start, and the bottom piece is likely to be this, the one without a groove, the shortest. There's a bottom piece, and it could also be this. They are both the same. This is the top piece. There's a bottom piece, so I'm going to put the these two as the backbone. No groove, but very long. There's a backbone. So here you are. You have got the spine of the papaya. You can see these two here would be with the groove, but choose one that is a bit shorter, because then you will the papaya goes shorter and the middle part become longer. If I choose this, it's quite short, and maybe this. So let's see if make sure the groove is at the top. And the groove is at the top. Alright. So now it looks quite good. There must be a piece here, which is likely to be one of these. I think this is the one. So if I push this inside, alright, it looks quite okay. Now I will have 2 more with groove. Make sure the groove is at the top. And of these pieces, I will choose the one that is a bit longer because it's in the center and this one is towards the end. So here I will choose this, and this side here I will choose this. I make sure that the groove is at the top. I will take a look and see if all these are quite smooth, and they are. If I choose the long piece, then it will be a bit jutting out. Now of course, now the last part here is you're going to put this piece here with the two by the side. You can slot the straight piece towards the end here. So this one is at the top, and the two groove by the side. Make sure the groove now is at the bottom so that you can slot the piece here. This is the piece, the groove is at the bottom. Here you are, it looks fits in quite well. And on this side, make sure the groove is at the bottom here. Yes, it fits in perfectly. And now you have got a very nice place for the last straight piece to slot in. Yes, you can push it. And you now got a very nice papaya reconstructed. So let me explain the principle to put the pieces back. You remember, arrange them in the order of length. Identify those with groove or without groove. With groove is the groove in the center, and then you reconstruct the piece. I hope you enjoy this, and you can get them from Yogyakarta in Indonesia. Thank you.